crack, people. Another short video. This time it's going to be about the wheels on Africa Twin 1990. A couple of years ago we have rebuilt them. Here I'll show you the right. There you are. We completely respoked them and put a new rims on them, front and back. So this video I'm going to make for what you call it, for the forum, XRV forum. A couple of years ago, that's when I rebuilt it. I never made the video, but we left a full description and some sort of guide, that how I done it. So but there's loads of people asking about the offset on the rear wheel, so I just want to do a couple of measurements here, show the alignment, and then I'm gonna make a video how I measure the offset and see what's the offset on mine, and just leave it there for people so they can have a look. Anyway, I'm gonna get my young fella and give me a hand. Now, it's not scientific way to measure, I guess, anything, but look, I don't know any better way to do it, so just bear with me a second. Right, here we go. So, scientific, not scientific way, but that's what's happening. Right, I have me good looking fella on the back.
Your favourite song?
Right, so if we measure them two planks right against the wheel, and as you can see, it's what is it? Almost 50 in there. No, 15 centimeters, and it's the same here, I guess. But if you look at the front wheel, it's pretty much same distance. Now, to be honest, it's only showing like that's frame is not bent or anything. And if you can see, I don't know what's that like. Anyway, not scientific. Also, you're gonna give me a hand. Right, I'm gonna take that back wheel off and do the measurements and see what happens. Yeah, it'd be good to put a recording on when you're doing this. Yeah, anyway, take 3, take 4, whatever it is. Anyway, you need a wheel flat on the, what you call on your disc side. I have a disc off, but you can leave a disc on. I don't think it won't interfere because the spokes are going in from the inside here, so they should be okay, you know what I mean. But it will help because some of them you have to kind of bend it out, and you need more space. Now I can't lay wheel flat because the tire will sticking out, so it's not sitting flat. It should be sitting flat on this part here on the hub, and then you can measure. So when you have no tire on, it'll be sitting flat. On an original wheel, you can measure with your caliper. Take the high spokes and then low spokes and keep the measurements in. So it's about 81 mil. I just measure them with the caliper, and we measure depth to the table from all sides, and it should be the same. So that will offset your it'll give you center of the offset. That's what it is. Now the original problem that why I measured from the spokes, because that's a central point of the rim, and the original Africa Twin rim, if I remember correctly, was 2.75 size. This one's at 3.5, and they're available in 3, I think, and 2.5, which is way smaller. So that way you could not measure from the rim itself because it's different size and different thickness. So that's why, but the spokes always stay kind of in the central, doesn't matter what size of rim. That's why I measured that way. Yeah, so that's that. Anyway, I'll leave the link to forum there's like a few descriptions, a couple of photographs there, and so you can have a look if you do rebuilding your wheel. It certainly will help, but it's definitely not a guideline. It's just want to show you how I done it. Not necessarily the right way, but look, outcome was good. Happy with that. Happy days.